The Ohio legislature continues to work on the state budget. A proposal from Senate Republicans is raising some controversy. It's our top story on News 9 at 6. I'm Hannah Hayes.
And I'm Dylan Cleland. News 9's Jamie Ely has more on the proposal, including how it could impact the state's budget and why one local official is standing in opposition.
A proposal from Ohio Republican senators could impose a flat income tax rate. However, this has drawn some concern for the potential impact on the general revenue fund and working class Ohioans. A recent proposal to institute a flat income tax rate has concerned some, including 96th District Representative Ron Ferguson. The bill as proposed by the GOP would institute a flat 2.75% rate on all income tax, regardless of income. However, this means a 0.25% reduction for those making more than $100,000 and a 2.75% increase for everyone making up to $26,000. Ferguson argues that this would be leaving the middle class behind.
I was disappointed in the House version of the budget. I voted no on that because there was no tax relief at all. And then I look at the Senate version and they do a little bit of tax relief, but not really for the middle class and not for the workers. And we need to make sure that that's who we're delivering for.
According to state data, the flat rate could result in a loss of over $1 billion in the general revenue fund. According to Ferguson, there are better ways to support the middle class. What are your plans to make sure that the working class individuals of the 96th district see that relief?
Yeah, so property tax is really the bigger thing we've heard, so we need to make sure that we stay focused on property tax. But as far as income tax is concerned, it's got to be a cut for everybody. We want to make sure that we lower that rate so that everybody's seeing a difference in their paycheck every week.
Meanwhile, State Senator Brian Chavez played an instrumental role in the crafting of this bill. His office did not respond to our request for interview, but his team did issue a release saying, in part, quote, Senator Brian Chavez played a critical role in designing a bold budget plan that reduces the state income tax to a single flat tax rate and implements a visionary strategy for economic development, including professional sports. Another point of contention in the bill for lawmakers has been the funding of the Cleveland Browns Stadium project. While the project was originally to be funded by bonds, Ferguson says that has completely changed.
What the Senate actually has recommended is that we take unclaimed funds, actual money of Ohioans that have been unclaimed, and we give a direct giveaway to the Cleveland Browns. Just hand the $600 million over to them.
With the deadline quickly approaching to pass the budget, Ferguson says it's time to consider all avenues.
It's fair when you give everybody tax relief, not a small amount of people. And so we shouldn't have winners and losers. Everybody should be a winner. We have the ability to do it. We just need to cut the waste.
The deadline for passing the budget is July 1st. We'll continue to follow the budget bill as it works its way through the legislature. But for now, reporting from Jefferson County, I'm Jamie Ely for News 9.
Hi, I'm Jamie Baker. Thanks for watching. Here's another video for you to watch, and please be sure to subscribe to our channel.